Hey guys, I want to make this quick video to let you know about our brand new products that we just released this week. We have our new oval shaped two-handle template and matching mold to create a 14 by 10 inch oval. You can get the template. Again, you've got dual handles on that template, and you've also got the matching mold. So you can use the template with the mold, or you can use just the mold or just the template to create 14 by 10 ovals like this. The other very cool thing we have, as you guys know, we are kind of big on the big chessboards. So we've got some molds in our line that are for making full-size chessboards, but we've had some resin artists reach out saying, I want a mold that's better than the crap you get on Amazon, you know, the $15 tear-apart molds, I call them, but not as ginormous. And that is where this comes in. So this is 14.5 by 14.5 by ½ inch deep, and you've got 1.5 inch by 1.5 inch squares that are 0.2 inch deep. So you've got quite a bit of profile there. You can individually fill the squares with resin, and that will be on our website soon. Again, both these guys, craftedelements.com. Next week, we are going to be working on some smaller cheese board molds. So we've got a lot of charcuterie board molds, as you know, in our line. We're going to be working on some smaller cheese board molds that are obviously use less resin and less wood, and therefore are cheaper to make, cheaper to sell. All right, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.